Hey everybody, Professor Benalou with a little video to motivate you and to let you know what's going on in Unit 2. Our office hour chat schedule on Monday the 7th, I will be holding office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. A great time to instant message me or email me. I will get right back to you. So that is as usual. And Tuesday, our chat number 2 is going to be usual as well. Check the class schedule for the time. And your Unit 2 due date's very important. Unit 2 is an extremely important week because of your Unit 2 discussion board. I will be going over Unit 2 discussion board once again in chat number 2 on Tuesday. I also have posted within the discussion board section my PowerPoint for Unit 2 discussion board and the links to the 3 short videos. And in announcements, I have posted links to 3 short videos where I explain Unit 2 discussion board. I hope you've been watching those and I hope those helped. So anyway, we'll be getting into that. All right, so Unit 2 due date's very important. You're going to have 2 things due on Friday the 11th. Firstly, you will have your Unit 2 determined knowledge, which determined knowledge is always due on Friday, remember. And it's important to get your determined knowledge by the end of every Friday because that allows the IntelliPath system to generate the learning path or nodes that you have to complete for Tuesday. So on the 11th, you have your Unit 2 determined knowledge, and also you have your Unit 2 discussion board original post. That is where you pick the topic and write upon the topic. Post your discussion board on that topic. Okay, remember you have 6 topics to choose from. Okay, so that is what is due on Friday the 11th. Another important date is Tuesday, October 15th. Tuesday, October 15th, firstly, you have your Unit 2 IntelliPath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And secondly, you have your Unit 2 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Your responses is where you have to respond to 2 of your classmates. Very important to keep up with this due date in particular because after the 15th, your response post will no longer be accepted and you don't want to lose 15 points right off the bat for not having responded to your classmates or not responded in time. So again, get this assignment in your Unit 2 discussion board is incredibly important. And keep in mind, break it down into the parts, the 3 different parts for your original post, okay? You have the context, you have the summary, and then you have the connections section. So break it down into those 3 sections and do it step by step, and you won't feel so overwhelmed, okay? And of course, I'm available for absolutely any questions that you might have, and we will go over Unit 2 discussion board yet again on Tuesday during our chat. Okay, that's it for today. You can do it. Get in there and get that DB done. Stay C2 strong, and don't hesitate to contact me with any questions.